cultural function. I am very excited to say some things before our honorable guest and my honorable teacher. What is loaded can't be bloated. It's a universal true proverb, so I can't ignore my luck. So I have to say some things about my school. This is Sabikun Nahar. My father's name is Mizanur Rahman and mother's name is Kamal Akhtar. My school's name is Pedagandi Gop Primary School that is situated in Alalpur, Gosharhat, Shoratpur. It is first educational institution of my life. I read in class 5. Our school is very well decorated and environment of our school is very nice. Total student of our school is 100. There are 4 teachers in our school. The name of 4 teachers are Wahid Anjuman Mukhtar, Shahida Begum, Manuddin Mia and Shathi Akhtar. They are very cordial to all the students and they are very hardworking person. Overall, our school is very famous school in our Upazila. Thanks for all listeners.
Thank you very much, Sabikun Nahar, for